A little backstory. I was on vacation, and then my mother-in-law was asking if I can look at her car because she's taken it to the shop quite a few times, spent a lot of money. And one of those situations where it was, I only drove it for 2 blocks and I knew what it was. I was kind of upset on the whole situation because the rear control arms were shot and they made her rebuild the whole front end of the car and just put new shocks when they could have looked at the control arms and noticed that the bushing was sticking out, completely ripped. So I jacked it up, and you can move the entire rear end by hand. So I'm gonna do a little short and show you guys, but sometimes it's not always best to take the first mechanic's situation because you never know what they're trying to do, or they don't know what they're trying to do, because it was a quick, easy diag that I was able to find out. Not saying I'm perfect, but with 20 years experience of mechanicking, that one should have been a no-brainer. I was trying to catch a video of driving it, but iPhone's got that anti-sway when you're recording. So, but pretty much what was happening when you're driving the back end, just do that once you took your foot off the gas and, you know, send you for a loop. But the fun thing about it, when you were getting tailgated,